Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ani back with another video, and today we are going to be doing some beaded styling, y'all. I'm going to begin by parting my hair into two separate sections. Now I'm going to subdivide the hair about 3 to 4 locks per twist. Go ahead and lock that in with a clear rubber band. Now, using this cute little variety box of hair adornment I got off of Amazon, I'm going to add this little X bead on my crochet hook right on to that twist. I'll put the links for all beads in the description below. Now I'm going to fold my hair up and loop my hair back around the twist right above the bead. I continue wrapping up till I feel like I have about 2 or 3 rotations left, and then I go back down. Now I'm going to rubber band that to secure the ends. And voila! Cute little sideburn. So now I am going to do that same thing on this whole right side of my head. Okay, so while you guys watch me finish up the side of my hair, let's get into a little story time. So I was about 19 years old when I started my college experience at a junior college in Sacramento, and I met this guy through a friend who said he was pretty cool, and we got to know each other and hung out every once in a while, and I really was feeling him, but it was just like always an on and off thing. So it was more of an off time. I started going to cosmetology school, and I seen his car pass by on my side of the school. Now mind you, I'm in cosmetology school, and it's very specific part of the school, so I didn't think nothing of it. I'm like, okay, it is what it is. So boom, about a few months later, I started getting to know this young girl. She's only a few years older than me, but she's a level above me in the cosmetology program. So I started talking to her, and she's just a really sweet girl, and we hit it off. So we go to this event where they're selling like all kind of products and things for cosmetology. So she gets to talking to me, and she tells me that her and her husband are really trying to work things out. You know, he has a cheating issue, and she's really just trying to work through it. Mind you, she's pregnant. So she's just, just confiding in me, and it's all good. And then she says the man's name, and it's the man that I was seeing. And we had just gotten physical the last time I seen him. And I thought it was kind of weird because we were in his house, but it didn't really look like his house. I thought maybe it was like his grandma's house or something, but I was young and naive, so I had no idea that it was actually in him and his wife's house, okay? I mean, in this woman, I have no idea that I've been her husband's mistress, all right? And I'm just blown out the water. So, boom, I don't go ahead and expose him to her because she was pregnant and I felt so bad. So I cussed him out, y'all. I cussed him out smooth, and he got off really easy because my heart just couldn't break her heart. She was so sweet. So yeah, that's the time I found out I was someone's mistress. So now that I'm finished with the left side, I decided to do a flat twist to the right side just to disguise some of the little broken locks I have. And I just wanted to say, I have never, nor do I condone a side chick lifestyle, y'all. Had I known that man was married, I would have never even entertained him, and he knew that, and that's why he never told me. And his trifling ass had the nerve to hit me again. Definitely blocked him. And boom, all twisted up, y'all. Let me give y'all a cute little spin so you can see the back. I'm loving it, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some Lotta Body to go ahead and give it that fresh, crispy look. Go ahead and wrap it down with a do-rag and give that a good blow dry. Look at my baby. He's so sweet. Blow. How you like me now? Yes, y'all. It's all done, y'all. I'm loving it. What are y'all thoughts, okay? Are you feeling me? Is it too much Rick James bitch in here? Like, what's up? Let me know how y'all feel. I'm going to go ahead and put some Secret Essential Stimulating Hair Growth Oil on my scalp, y'all. Ugh, feels so good. Get you some. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you. Mwah.